Amazing things don't happen to people who don't have it coming to them or who don't actually deserve it. How many amazing things have happened to people who make no moves in life, who are negative? The answer is none. Nothing amazing is going to happen to you if you are scarce, miserable, sad, and don't believe in the opportunities and the beauty and the love that this world has to offer. You will be closed off to the world if you don't have the right mindset, if you don't have the right abundant mentality, if you don't have the joy in your heart, if you don't have the authenticity that you're leading the correct life, that you're in alignment and life just feels like it's correct for you right now and you're on the right path. I don't know many men who are negative about life, who are doing good things and who are having wonderful things come their way. Something quite interesting and amazing happened to me on Friday here in Bucharest when I got back. I came back a few days ago from Dubai. I was high energy, I was feeling good, I was happy about coming back to Bucharest. I've got my friends here, I've got my vibe here. I just rented a lovely apartment in the center of town with a massive terrace. And on Friday, I went out and I just put myself out in the world as I do. And I'm just friendly and extroverted and spoke to girls and was just smiling and just having a good time. You know, I was like, life is going good for me. I'm doing well. I'm accepting my path. Some things are going well. Okay, some things haven't gone according to plan, but that's fine. Like I do believe that I'll get the things that I want. I do believe in myself. And I met this beautiful, lovely girl. And I saw that girl the next day, and I also saw that girl again today. Now, I don't want to get too excited too quickly, but she's amazing. She's really wonderful. And it was a pleasure to come across someone like that. And there was some kind of spark and some sort of chemical that really kicked it off. And we seemed to be into each other. But again, I don't want to jump to any conclusions. It was a very intense weekend, and we'll see how we take it next week, step by step. The way it all happened was super interesting, and I observed my own behavior and I put my theory into practice yet again, and it just worked. But I don't want to talk too much about the theory and the detail of how we met and what I did over the weekend to I don't want to use the word seduce because I wasn't trying to seduce. I was just trying to live in flow and abundance. And because I had that within my heart, because I'm living authentic, maybe because this YouTube channel started to do quite well, maybe because I did my first few consultancy calls last week, maybe because I'm living much more in alignment with what God's purpose is for me, maybe good things will start to happen off the back of that. Like I will meet an amazing girl. I will start to develop some sort of relationship with someone who will drive me and grow me forward to even larger heights. That's much more likely to be the case because I'm now living in alignment. I'm abiding by my values. I'm living through my values. I'm not listening to others as much who are telling me, fuck that, man, keep building the crypto fund, keep trying to make as much money as possible. Hey, you're not going to make that much money from YouTube. Come on, it's like the money's not that big in it. And I say to people, I'm not doing it for the money. I'm doing it to really find who I am and to be authentic and to give myself back out there to the universe. So when you put your best self and best foot forward in alignment with your values, beautiful things will start to happen to you. Beautiful things do not happen to people who don't believe in themselves, who are a bit down, who are living in scarcity, who are living in major grief, who are living in major regret, who don't see the beauty of life, who don't see the opportunities of life. Those people are unlikely to come across beautiful events that are going to change their life. Excuse me. So ultimately, I know why good things are going to start happening to me. And the only way that the same things can be happening to you, and I had a couple of really wonderful consulting calls last week. And I really, really felt these guys' energy, and they were positive about their future. And that was so, so good to see. So good to see these men that were positive about their future and that were, red pill self-improvement guys. That's why they watched my channel, and they were positive about their life and what they wanted to do moving forward, and they had good plans. And that was just so beautiful to see, because those men will rise. They will keep rising, and good things will happen to them. I truly believe good things will happen to me. I truly believe good things will happen to those men that I consulted last week, who are positive, who wanted to try to make a change in their life. Authenticity, abundance, faith, not necessarily like faith in religion, but faith in yourself, faith in God, faith in a higher power, faith in an energy that's up there working, which you don't have control over. But you can definitely live more in flow and more in abundance to accept the blessings that are meant to come your way. Once you are living in that kind of abundance, things will just start to happen to you. Like, I'm not surprised I met someone that I like this weekend. I'm not surprised in the slightest. I've been moving much more in alignment. I've been moving much more at peace. And if it was a week where I was upset or down because the market was down, I'd lost a lot of money, and I was feeling like scarce, and I was feeling like I'm not worthy. That's a big one, by the way. Feeling not worthy. There's a very big difference. When you feel like you're worthy, you will meet someone, you will open up doors and opportunities. Right? Being worthy is abundant. Not feeling worthy is an extremely scarce mindset to have. So having those things will change your life and will start opening you up for the blessings. And I know I am open now to the blessings that will come to me in time. They will take time. It will be slow progress in life. And not going to be some crazy explosive shit overnight. But these good things will get built over time. And I think I'm positive about some of you guys that want to take action on your life, that watch these videos, that watch other red pill guys, watch other self-improvement guys, watch other self-development guys on YouTube, because you want to change and you want to open that up in your life. And when you're ready for that, you will see that good things will start happening to you. On a final note, I just want to reiterate, think about any of your friends, right, where good shit has happened to them. They were in the right mindset when the good stuff happened. They were abundant. When they were down and miserable, and your friends, there's unlucky friends. There's a great line from the 48 Rules of Power by Robert Greene, which is avoid the unhappy and the unlucky. If they're constantly unhappy and unlucky, then they won't open themselves up to the blessings and the beauty of this life. They'll always see the bad sides. They'll always be negative. And good stuff, I guarantee you, good stuff will just not happen to those people. So if that's true, then the opposite is also true. When you're happy, when you're lucky, we know luck is also part of sort of preparation and opportunity. When you're lucky in that sense, and you're happy, you suddenly open up doors you never thought you'd be able to open. And you'll attract more beautiful things into your life, and you'll open yourself up for even more love, and you'll reach higher levels of transcendence. And I think I'm on that pathway. Slow and steady steps. And I hope you guys are going to be on the same pathway. And I hope we rise together.